Hey everybody, Sam here, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and I am here to talk to you about our Sanira toilet brush system. So I know when I first was wanting to choose between the two toilet brushes, I wasn't really sure what the Sanira was like. So I just wanted to do a short video today on what it's like and just how much I love it. I really don't like cleaning toilets. It's like the worst cleaning job for me. So that is part of the reason why I love the Sanira system, because I don't have to touch anything really except for a toilet brush real quick. So you're going to have a container like this, and it's empty. There's nothing inside of it. It's just an empty container. And then you're going to get a little refill bag here of the Blue Diamond cleaner. Now that cleaner is what's refillable in that bag, so you can buy those refills when you run out, and the one bag should last you about a year. Then on top of that is going to go the brush holder. So we've got it stacked up here like this. And then here is our toilet brush. So you can see that there's a hole, and around the top there are some tiny little holes here. And when we push down on the brush, the liquid is going to seep out, come up through the brush, seep out the holes, and come down the brush. So, we've got the nylon bristles, and just as I'm about to use it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push down on the brush. Okay, I am going to push down on the brush, and the liquid is going to start seeping out those holes and down into the bristles of the brush, and now we're ready to start cleaning. Okay, now we get to the dirty part of the job, the toilet. I absolutely hate cleaning toilets. I have not cleaned this toilet for a month. I was gone for 2 weeks of that month, but as you can see, the product has done awesome in keeping the toilet clean and from growing stuff, even though it hasn't been flushed or used much lately. So, let's go ahead and see what this is like. I like to dip it down into the water first, and that helps the liquid run down a little more, and then I go ahead and start cleaning. It's great for cleaning around the rim, and I can also get down inside the holes, and the nylon bristles are excellent. They don't harbor bacteria, and they clean the toilet bowl very well and very quickly. I absolutely love my Sanira system because I hate cleaning toilets, and I don't have to spend hardly any time bending over a toilet, cleaning it, squirting solution inside of it. It's a quick and easy way to clean your toilets.